Action.
Hi, I'm Dick Price. I'm a collaborative attorney in Fort Worth, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about why collaborative law works. It's a process used in divorce and family law cases, and there's three important reasons why it's been successful in the past. First of all, the whole process focuses on the goals of the client. We use interest-based negotiating instead of taking a position and just saying arbitrarily that each party will get 50% of everything. Instead of doing that, we look at and identify the goals for each party, and we try to achieve those goals throughout. And our experience has been that in most cases it works out very well and people are satisfied with it because they get what's most important to them instead of just an arbitrary result. Now, another reason why it works is we bring in other professionals, and when there are parenting issues, for example, we'll bring in a therapist who has a lot of experience and a lot of training dealing with not only children but custody and visitation orders and all the other issues that come up in a typical divorce. So we have a specialist working with the two parties, and generally we send the two parties to work with the specialist offline, and you're not being charged attorney's fees for that time. You're being charged just the time for that neutral specialist, and it's very effective. In a similar way, we bring in a neutral financial professional who works with both parties, organizes information, gathers information, answers questions, helps the parties if necessary prepare budgets, and takes other steps to not only prepare you but to educate you and help you get ready for post-divorce life. But using those professionals who are specialists, we're able to get a better result for everybody, and those are not typically professionals who are used in those roles in a standard litigated divorce. The third reason may sound odd to you. If you know anything about collaborative law, you probably know that the attorneys have to withdraw if the process terminates. If we're not successful in reaching an agreement, both parties have to start over and hire new attorneys, and that's expensive. And in fact, some people don't like the process for that very reason. From my point of view, and my experience backs it up, it's actually one of the best reasons why collaborative law works. It works because people don't want to incur that extra expense. Attorneys don't want to lose the business. The attorneys would rather finish the case and be successful, and the parties don't want to spend the money. So instead of quitting the process at the first sign of adversity, the parties regroup, we bring in the professional team, and we try another direction and keep at it. And it is effective. It's a lot better in the long run to do that than to get partway into a process and quit if things aren't going our way and then go into litigation. So collaborative law is a very effective process because of the goal orientation, because we use neutral professionals in important functions, and because of this threat of termination if the process doesn't work. So because of all those reasons, it's an effective process. And if you're interested in trying it out, you can call me. My name is Dick Price. I'm a Fort Worth attorney. I do collaborative law, and I've done it for 10 years now. My phone number is 817-338-4633, and you can check my website at www.pricelawfirmtx.com. I have two blogs, including one that's devoted to collaborative law, and I think you'll find a lot of information that's useful to you in the website and the blogs. Thanks for paying attention.